My name is Justin Burnell and I'm the Rugby Performance Manager at the University of South Wales. I've got a huge experience within the professional coaching system. I've worked at Cardiff Blues, I've worked at the WRU, Age Group Rugby, I've worked at London Welsh, and now I currently work at Pontypridd RFC. The Rugby Performance Sport Programme at USW gives the player the ability to better themselves. The qualified coaches and the system we supply will allow them to do that. We supply a tremendous strength and conditioning program. You've got your nutritional program. We also got a medical program which will allow them to recover to the best of their abilities. So alongside their training program, they can then choose whatever course they desire. So it allows the player very early on in their career to make sure they do get the balance right of their studies and sport. We're very fortunate within our system that we've got Nico Matawala, who's a Fijian international at 7s and 15 who works with our men's program. We got Anelka, who's from South Africa, who works with our women's program. And I'm a level 5 coach who oversees and mentors these coaches. Our facilities at USW are world class. I mean, when you got the All Blacks, you got Australia, you got South Africa on tour in Europe, use our facilities. So our strength and conditioning gym is world class. Our indoor facility is a full-size pitch, and also we have outside all-weather fields. Our men's and women's rugby teams play at Sardis Road, which is a home of Pontypridd RFC, who play in the Welsh Premiership, and is a Grade A licensed facility. We have a vast range of opportunities on and off the field at USW. We also work alongside Pontypridd, Coleg y Cymoedd, Cardiff Rugby and the WRU. So alongside all the options we have, it covers a vast range of things they can do, whether that's S&C, coaching. We've got so many options because of our fabulous partners. So if you've got the ambition to become a professional stroke semi-professional player, we have got the facilities and the coaching to allow you to fulfill that dream.